Hey guys, lesson 20. This is a big one because when I look at your writing, I really see that you are making a lot of these errors. And that's okay. You're in 7th grade. But I really want you to focus on this lesson because I want you to be able to see these on your own and fix them. This is our sample text that we're going to use here. I'll let you look through here. Rays are related to sharks. Both have skeletons made of cartilage. Although rays look very different. Differences in appearance or the way animals look to the observer are not always significantly important to the classification of those animals that may seem so different from each other. Now in this sentence, or in this text, there are a number of errors. One type of error we're going to see is a fragment. A fragment does not tell a complete thought. For example, because of the dog. This is just a dependent clause, and it does not provide a complete thought. A run-on. Sometimes you guys are the masters of the run-on. It's a compound sentence, so it's 2 independent clauses, but it is missing. In order to punctuate a run-on sentence correctly, you have to have a comma and a coordinating conjunction. So the dog chased the cat and the cat ran under the table. This is one complete thought. The dog chased the cat. This is another complete thought. The cat ran under the table. Yet they are not punctuated correctly. There's no comma. There is a conjunction, but we don't have a comma. A comma splice is another error, a common error in writing. And it's a run-on, and it has a comma, but it's missing the conjunction. So in our sentence here, the dog chased the cat ran under the table. This is a complete thought. This is a complete thought. The cat ran under the table. We have our comma right here, but we're missing our coordinating conjunction. That's called a comma splice. You can remember because it has the comma, but no coordinating conjunction. And then a ramble-on. Ramble-on sentences are technically grammatically correct, but they contain extra words and phrases that really do not add to the meaning at all, and they do exactly what the name suggests. They just ramble on. The dog chased the cat under the table that the people purchased from Haverty's when they visited their daughter for Christmas, and they really liked it but had a difficult time fitting it in their car. Technically grammatically correct, although this is not the best sentence. It's a ramble-on. It has a lot of extra words and phrases that do not really add to the meaning. What is this sentence actually about? Is it about a dog chasing a cat, or about furniture, or a trip at Christmas time? It's very difficult to tell. So now let's go back to our sample text. We have examples: run-on, ramble-on, fragment here. So let's see what we have. And we have a comma splice. So looking through, let's start with rays are related to sharks. Both have skeletons made of cartilage. I see that we have 2 complete independent thoughts. Rays are related to sharks. Both have skeletons made of cartilage. I see that I have my comma, but there's no coordinating conjunction. That makes this a comma splice. It contains the comma, but does not have the coordinating conjunction. Although rays look very different, this is a dependent clause. We do not have a complete thought, so this is a fragment. Differences in appearance or the way animals look to the observer are not always significantly important to the classification of those animals that may seem so different from each other. This right here is a ramble-on sentence. It has quite a bit of extra words and phrases that really do not add. There's my microwave. That do not add to the sentence meaning. So now we've talked about comma splices, fragments, ramble-ons, and I know you know run-ons. Remember, to join 2 complete thoughts, you need to have a comma and a coordinating conjunction.